Okay, Mr. Reed here, going to try and show you how to make a printouts of the templates and materials you want to be able to put on your foam board, like this example here, your house. So you may have bricks or type of shingles or aluminum siding or concrete. So what I did is went to the internet and I searched template page of bricks. And then I might find some bricks and copy that image so then I can just paste it in a document. So I went and found those things like a door, window, bricks, asphalt shingles, and I pasted it in a document. I also created a page of these common sizes of brick, siding, shingles, metal roof, and you can Google search all of this information of what size is aluminum siding, so it'd be 4 inches tall. Brick, we can round up to 4 inches by 8 inches. Oh wait, 4 inches by 2 inches. So if I said 4 inches by 2 inches in height, I want to stretch and make my brick that size. Okay, so if I go to here, paste it in a Google Doc, and make sure I have my view rulers on, so I can see this ruler here. So we're at the 1/4 inch equals a foot scale. So this one brick should be, what did we say, 8 inches long? Yeah. Yeah, it should be 8 inches. Sorry about that. So 7 5/8 length. We'll round that up to 8 for our purposes. And a height of 2. So come back into here. That one brick should be 8 inches. Well, a 1/2 inch would be 2 feet. A 1/4 inch right here would be 1 foot. So a little bit less than a 1/4, and just eyeball that close enough. So I select it, drag it down, and now I need to zoom out in and see if that one brick is about a little bit less than a 1/4. So that's challenging to see. So I mean, it's a little bit more smaller, okay? If I can get that 1/4 inch right there down and look at that one brick. Maybe I'll look at this one right here. So that looks pretty close, maybe even a touch shallower this way. And then it should be a 2 inches tall. So that's going to be, heck, that's going to be, if this were, let's see, this distance would be a foot. This would be a foot. 1/2 would be 6 inches. 1/2 of that, so down like this level, height-wise. So it may have to be something like this, okay? It's going to look a lot more realistic and proportional. You can always print it and use that yellow architect scale ruler to measure it and see. So what I do is once I get that, I go to my snip tool, which is your snip tool down at the bottom. Let's see if I can show you that. Yeah, right here. Type in snip, get your snip and take a new one. And then I get this. Actually, you don't need to do that. I forget. If you select this, Control C, Control V. So I have another one, Control V. And if I'm really good, I can take and wrap this and place it right over top of this other guy. If I make the text behind it, I can set that, line that up perfectly or close enough that it would sit in there. It should be able to. We'll put it in front of text. How about that? So you should be able to set that on top, move that down so they match up. So work with that, and you can have one long brick and then print that out or copy that. Sometimes when I get it how I want, this is obviously crooked, but if I had it all straight, just to save time, then I could take this and I could then paste it in here and have a big printout. Okay, so if I had a door, I found some doors on the internet and then just snipped one, and doors are about 6 feet 8 inches tall. So if I had my ruler, I would stretch that out to be whatever height is proportional to the size of the ruler. Each door is about 3 feet wide. So if this were 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, right? 1/4 inch equals a foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it may be like that wide for the front doors. So it matches up with this. And then tallness, I've seemed to have lost my rulers. Should be this guy over here. Where is he? He should be 6 feet 8 inches tall. So you would stretch it to whatever your ruler is. I can't see mine, but it should be about 7 feet tall. Okay, so if you line that up next to the bricks, it looks about proportional. Okay, you may want to take a picture of this or Google search this yourself and get these sizes. If you've got Spanish clay tile, you got to find that. If you've got stone, you got to find that. So other things, you can use the internet and learn how to search standard sizes of asphalt shingles. Okay, front door templates. Okay, good luck.